Welcome to StarScene Central. Exciting updates about Kelce coming up. Don't miss out. Like and subscribe for more celebrity news. After officially stepping away from the NFL, one might assume that retirement for Jason Kelce would mean quiet mornings, family time, and maybe the occasional backyard barbecue. But instead, the former Philadelphia Eagles center is diving headfirst into an entirely new challenge, one that comes with a whole lot of green grass and, apparently, a few humbling putts. Kelce recently took part in Justin Timberlake's 8 a.m. Invitational golf tournament in Las Vegas alongside his brother, Kansas City Chiefs star Travis Kelce. This wasn't just another celebrity outing. It was his first major trip since welcoming his fourth daughter, Finn, with his wife Kylie back in March. And let's just say, the rust was real. On the April 30th episode of his New Heights podcast, Jason admitted the truth with his usual mix of humor and self-deprecation. "It was my first time out of the house in a long time," he quipped. But the moment that really stood out came during his very first putt, an attempt that missed so badly the entire crowd behind him couldn't help but burst into laughter. That single stroke, as painful as it might have been in the moment, was the catalyst for something bigger. Jason Kelce, the NFL warrior with a Super Bowl ring and a legacy in Philly, is now laser-focused on mastering the game of golf. In classic Kelce fashion, he's not taking the easy route. Instead of simply hiring a coach or brushing it off, he turned to Reddit for help. Yes, Reddit. The same place known for memes and viral debates is now Kelce's virtual training ground. "Hey Reddit golfers, Jason Kelce here," he posted, along with 6 different camera angles of his swing. He wasn't just asking for a pat on the back, he wanted honest, practical advice, especially about his backswing and follow-through. The responses? Equal parts hilarious and genuinely insightful. One commenter reminded him, "It's not Aaron Donald. You don't have to hit it so hard," calling out the aggressive style Kelce probably carried over from the gridiron. Another fan joked about the sibling rivalry, noting that Travis absolutely dominated him at the tournament. Even ESPN's Kevin Clark chimed in on social media, calling Kelce's Reddit post a beautiful reflection of the game's charm. Golf, after all, has a way of humbling even the most seasoned athletes. Despite crowdsourcing tips from strangers online, Kelce isn't just relying on the internet to improve. He's also training with a local golf pro back in Philly, showing that this isn't just a passing hobby, it's a serious new chapter. He's bringing the same work ethic, curiosity, and intensity that made him a fan favorite in the NFL to a sport that requires a whole different kind of discipline. Now, fans are already speculating about what could be next. Could Jason Kelce be the next NFL star to appear on The Match, the televised golf showdown that's featured Tom Brady, Aaron Rodgers, and Patrick Mahomes? While there's no official word yet, Kelce's magnetic personality and fearless approach to new challenges make him a natural fit. He may be done chasing quarterbacks, but don't be surprised if you see him chasing birdies on your TV screen soon. One thing's for sure, Jason Kelce's retirement is shaping up to be anything but boring. From dad duty to driver drills, he's proving that the end of a football career can be just the beginning of another wild ride. Thanks for watching.